In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Freshbooks in 2026. We'll walk through a clean, simple way to place your company logo on your Freshbooks documents using a retainer as the example. Even if you're new to Freshbooks, follow along and you'll have your brand showing up exactly where it should. First, sign in and head to the dashboard. If you ever land somewhere else, just use the left side panel and click Dashboard to get oriented. From here, we'll start the process that leads us to where the logo gets added. As our example, we'll add a logo to a retainer. From the dashboard, click Create New, then choose Retainer. This opens the retainer setup screen where you define the basics before moving on to the branding area. Begin by adding your client. This ensures the retainer is tied to the right contact from the start. Next, set the retainer start date, so billing and time tracking kick off on the correct day. Choose your retainer period, monthly, weekly, or the cadence that matches your agreement, so FreshBooks knows how often to renew. Enter the fees per period to reflect the amount you'll invoice each cycle. Then specify the hours per period included in that fee if your retainer is time-based. If you bill for extra time, set the rate for excess hours so anything beyond the included hours is calculated correctly. Finally, review the recurring schedule to confirm the frequency and timing line up with your contract. When those details look good, click Set and Continue. This takes you to the editor where you'll handle design and presentation. This is where the logo goes. Look to the top left for the option to select a file and add your logo. Click to choose an image from your computer. For best results, use a high-quality PNG or JPG, ideally with a transparent background if your logo has one. Square or horizontal versions usually fit nicely and keep things looking professional. Upload your logo and give it a moment to process. You should see a preview that shows how it will appear on the retainer. If it looks off-center or fuzzy, try a higher resolution file or a version with more padding around the edges. Keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly for your clients. Once everything looks right, click Save. Your retainer is now set up and your logo will appear where appropriate, reinforcing your brand on client-facing documents. That's it. Simple, clean, and professional. If you found this helpful, follow along for more practical FreshBooks tips.